welcome to another class of computer lessons. So today we are going to learn the remaining portions in this chapter. Last class we have discussed about, can you remember what are the things? First we explained or we learned about keyboard, then its keys. Then can you remember what are the keys we have discussed last class? Yes, alphabet key, then numeric key, then numeric keypad, then function keys, then cursor control key, special key, caps lock key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, num lock key, shift key, space bar key, alt and control key. Okay, so these are the keys we discussed last class. I hope all of you remember that. So today we are going to learn another type of keys. So let's see what are the another type of keys. First one, escape key. First type of key is what? Escape key. Then it's simple or E S C. This is the key. What is its name? Escape key. Its name is escape key. Escape key means if you opened any application by mistake, but you want to close that application, so you have a way to press this escape key. Finally, it will close that application. So what is this use of this escape key? To cancel the operation. So what is its use? To cancel the operation. So the question is, what is the key used for cancelling the operation? So that name that key, escape key. So it is mostly used to cancel some operation. So escape key used to cancel operation. So if you open any application by mistake, but you want to close that application immediately, then you can press which key? Escape key. So press escape key, you can close the application. So the question is, name the key which is used to cancel some operations. So what is that key? Escape key. How we can write? ESC. ESC means escape key. Then next type of key is multimedia key. What is the another key? Multimedia. M-U-L-T. Multimedia key. Have you heard about multimedia keyboard? Right? Okay, no problem. So, next type of key is multimedia key. Then, do you like to play games? Yes. So, multimedia key is used to control the operations of a CD or a DVD player and also control the speaker volume. So, what is its use? Multimedia keys are used to control the operations of a CD or a DVD player. So the question is, which is the key used to control the operation of a CD or a DVD player? Also, it is used to decrease or control the speaker volume. It is also used to control the speaker volume. So, multimedia key, what is its use? It is used to, first use, multimedia key is used to control, C-O it to control the speaker volume. Used it to control speaker volume. So the question here is, so name the key which is used to control the operations of a DVD player. Which is that key? Multimedia key. Another question, which is the key used to control the speaker volume? Multimedia key, right? Then this type of key is present if the keyboard is which type? Multimedia keyboard. That means this type of multimedia key is present in multimedia keyboard. This type of keyboard is present in where? Multimedia keyboard. Multimedia keyboard. Okay. Then next is using the mouse. So next topic is what? Using the mouse. So can you tell me, mouse is a which type of device? It is an input device, and also we can say that it is a pointing device. So dash is a pointing device. Which is the pointing device? Pointing device. Example, mouse. Mouse is a pointing device, right? Okay. Then how many buttons are there in a mouse? There are 2 buttons, and also there is a scroll wheel between the 2 buttons. So how many buttons? 2 buttons. What are they? 2 buttons. What are they? A left button. Second one, right button. Right button. And also there is a scrolling wheel between those 2 buttons. Scroll, wheel. CROL, wheel. Scroll wheel between these 2 buttons. Okay. So mouse is a which type of device? We know it is an input device. And also we can say that mouse is a pointing device. Then how many buttons are there in a mouse? There are 2 buttons. What are they? Left button and right button. Also there is a scroll wheel in between those 2 buttons. Then here in your textbooks there is a table. Can you see that? Yes. In that table, so this table explains the actions of a mouse, then how to do that action, then also what is its use, then an example. So what are the things we can see in that table? First, actions of a mouse. Second one, how to do that actions. Third one, what is its use. And fourth one, then an example. So let's see what are they. First action is pointing. So action, pointing. So pointing spelling P-O-I-N-T, point, I-N-G, pointing. Pointing means, for example, we know this is a folder. Just assume this is a folder for any applications. So there is a mouse pointer here. And now we can say that this is pointing. So mouse pointer points to a folder. Mouse pointer points to a folder. That means pointing is aiming the mouse pointer at some particular position. Aiming the mouse pointer at some particular position. So here there is a folder. Just assume here is a folder and we have to point the mouse pointer to that folder. So how it do? How does it? So first move the mouse pointer to that particular location. So that means aiming the mouse pointer to a particular position. So that is aiming the mouse pointer, aiming the mouse pointer to a particular position. Aiming the mouse pointer to a particular position. So what is its action? So the question is, name the action that describes aiming the mouse pointer to a particular position. What is that action? Pointing. Okay, so here is the mouse pointer which aims or point to a folder. So here, what is its use? This is the first step before taking an action on that icon. That means if you want to open this folder, first of all you have to point that particular location. That means you have to point that folder. Then only we can open the folder. So this is the first action before, this is the first step before taking an action on that icon. This is the first step before taking an action. Action means open or delete, whatever the action. So first of all, you have to point or aim that particular location or that position. Okay. Then an example is, just this is an example. Also in your textbooks there is a word folder, and if you open it, first of all you have to point that word file, right? Okay. Then second type of action is click. So what is the spelling of click? C-L-I-C-K. Click. Click means press the mouse button and release it quickly. Press the mouse button and release it quickly. For example, this is a mouse and there are two buttons. So left button and right button. So press the left button and or press the left button and release it quickly so that you can hear a clicking sound. You can hear a clicking sound. That means you will hear a click sound. So click means how to do press the mouse button and then release it quickly. Press what? Mouse button. Mouse button, then release it or release it quickly. Release it. Then you will hear a click sound. Click sound. So how to do the clicking action? Press the mouse button and release it. Then you will hear a click sound. Then use is, what is its use? Clicking sends command to the computer. Clicking sends command to the computer. What is the use of a clicking? Clicking means it sends command to the computer. Command means what? An instruction. An instruction to the computer. Then example. So here this is a folder. So if you want to click this folder, so first of all just point that mouse pointer and then if you click this folder, there is a selection box will appear around the folder. So that is the process of click. So when we click that, it will be selected. Okay. Then third action is double click. Third action is what? Double click. Double, D O U B L E, double click. C L I C K, double click. Right? Double click. So double click is used for open an application. So before that, double click, how to use or how to do that action. That action means double click. How to do double click action. Press the left button twice. Press the left button twice, or press the left mouse button twice quickly. So how to do? Press left mouse button, left mouse button twice. Twice means 2 times. Press the left mouse button 2 times, or press left mouse button twice. Then double click use is to open any applications. So if you want to open any application, you have to double click that applications. Okay. So double click is another action. Then it's spelling DOUBLE, double click, and that is press the left mouse button and then how many times? 2 times. That is double. Double means 2 times. Double click. Then double click is used to open an application. It's used open an application. Open an application. Okay. Then next is right click. Next is what? Right click. R-I-G-H-T, right. R-I-G-H-T, right click. C-L-I-C-K, click. That is right click. Right click means it is related to right button of mouse. That is how to do right click. To press the right mouse button and then release it. So here there are 2 mouse buttons, left and the right. So press the right button and then release it. Press the right mouse button. So right click means press right mouse button. Press right mouse button. Press right mouse button and release it quickly. So when we click the right button, there are some options. A drop down menu will be appear. So you have to select the options. For example, right click gives a shortcut menu which contains some options related to that object which you have clicked on it. That means, for example, if this is a folder, first, what are the action? First, pointing the mouse pointer. So now I am going to pointing the mouse pointer. Then, so pointing. Second, clicking. So first, then clicking. So there is a selection box appear here. Then after that, double click. If you want to open it, so just double click that folder. Then right click means press the right button, right mouse button, and there is a shortcut menu will appear. Shortcut menu will appear. It contains open, delete, rename, save, etc. So when we right click a folder or a file, there is a shortcut menu appears. So that menu contains some options which is performed to that folder or icon. So options contain open the folder or delete that folder, rename, etc. So here right click gives a shortcut menu which contains the options related to object on which you have clicked. So this is an example. Then next action is drag and drop. Okay. Next action is drag, D-R-A-G, drag and drop, D-R-O-P. Drag and drop means if you want to move any application or a file or a folder from one place to another, you can use this action. What action? Drag and drop action. For example, there is a folder here. So there is a, this is the desktop. Just imagine this is a desktop and this is a file which is placed here. And if you want to move this file to another locations, so you can use the action drag and drop. You want to move from a location to another location, you can use which action? Drag and drop. Let's see how to do this action, that is how to do drag and drop. So first of all, hold down the left button and then hold down or press the left button and then move to the another location and then release it quickly. So here is the folder. So first hold down the left mouse button and then press that left button and move to another location, then release it quickly. So that drag and then drop here. So first of all, drag the file or a folder or whatever the application, then drop into another position or another location, that is drag and drop. Hold down the left button, move the mouse and release the mouse button at a new location. The drag and drop action is normally used to dragging objects from one position to another. Then so what are the actions? First pointing, then click, then double click, then right click, then drag and drop. So pointing means to aiming the mouse pointer at a particular location. Then this is the first step before taking an action. Second action is click. Click means press the mouse left button and release it quickly. Clicking means sending the command to a computer. Third action, double click. Double click means press the left mouse button twice or double. So that means double click is used to open any application. Then right click. Right click is when we right click. How to do right click? Press the right button in the mouse and then there is a shortcut menu appears. So in that menu there are some options to do it, right? Then drag and drop means if you want to move from one location to another location, you can use the action drag and drop, and that means first press the mouse button or hold the mouse button and then move the mouse, then release it quickly. That means release to another desired location. Then a quick recap of this chapter. Then what is a keyboard? That means our third chapter is over. So let's go to a quick recap. So first, what is a keyboard? Keyboard is an input device designed to type and enter commands into a computer. Then we have learned about different types of keys. So can you say what are the keys? Alphabet key, number key. Then also we explained about, or we learned about some numeric keypad, then function key, spatial key, escape key, then alt and control key, backspace key, then shift key, etc. Right? So that's the thing, different types of keys. Then now mouse. Mouse is a what device? Pointing device. How many buttons? There are 2 buttons and there is a scrolling wheel between them. And then there are some actions we discussed. So pointing, click, double click, right click and drag and drop. So let's go to quick practice. So here look at the page number 25 in your textbook. So click on the file icon. Click on the file icon. So in this picture there are 3 icons. What are they? First, an icon of a recycle bin. Second, an icon of a document. That means it is a word file. And third, a dictionary file, a dictionary icon. So, recycle bin, document file and a dictionary. So, first, the question here is click on the file icon. So, here the file is what? Document. So, how to click on the file icon? So, just imagine this is the file. So, this is the file and then the question here is click on the file icon. Click on the file icon. So, how to do? Click on that file icon. First, move the mouse pointer to this file. Okay, and then click this file. Finally, a selection box will be appear. So, that is the click on the file icon. Then, second question, right click on the file icon. So, this is click, then right click means first just press the right button and a shortcut menu will appear. So it contains some options, right? That is right click on the file icon, bring the pointer or move the pointer, aiming the pointer to this particular location and then press the right button. So there is a shortcut menu appears. Then third question, double click on the folder. Double click on the folder. On the folder. Double click means we want to open, if you want to open the application or a folder, so you can use double click. So that means click twice. So finally, double click the left mouse button, the folder of that window or that folder opens. Then fourth question, drag and drop folder to a different place. That means move from one position to another place. First of all, just pointing that folder and then just hold down the mouse and move the mouse pointer, move the mouse to another location and then drop it. Then fifth question, correct the word running to running, running to running. So here the word is R-U-N-N-I-N-G. N-G. So, is this spelling of running? No, because there is an incorrect letter. So, you have to correct the word. How to do it? So, the correct word we know. This is the correct word. Running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. That is the correct word of running. So, if you want to correct the word, you can delete the letter M and add the letter N, right? So you can, first of all, you have to delete the letter M and then type the letter N. How to do it? So if the cursor is here, for example, if the cursor is here, M-N-I-N-G, the cursor is here, just press the backspace key. Then after that, this letter will be removed. Then type the letter N. So finally, you will get what? Correct word of running. So running means, sorry, here is the backspace. That means press the backspace key. So here letter M will be removed and then type the letter N. Finally we got running. So next, let's do the exercises. So let me explain the exercises given in your textbook. So first question, alphabet keys are used to enter. So alphabet keys are used to enter. Option, numbers from 0 to 9, alphabets from A to Z. C, a blank space when pressed once, and D, signs. So what is the question here? Alphabet keys are used to enter. So we already discussed about alphabet key. So in that alphabet key, can you tell me which are the letters we have to type in the computer? Alphabet keys are used to enter alphabets from A to Z. So the option D is correct. Alphabets from A to Z. That's why it is called alphabet key. Then second question. How many arrow keys are there? So can you tell me how many arrow keys in the keyboard? There are 4 arrow keys. So the answer C, option C is correct. Third question. Which key is used to cancel the previous operation? So in our in this class we started with a key. What is its key? Escape key. So escape key is used to cancel the operation. The question is here, which key is used to cancel the previous operation? So answer is escape key, ESC key. That is option A is correct, escape key. Then fourth question, which key performs specific functions? Specific functions means special functions. Which key performs specific function? That is special function. Special function means which key is used? Special key. Then fifth question, which key combination opens the file menu? If you open a file, we know we have to double click that file or a folder. There is some shortcut keys. So among these options, we know first option is Control plus F, second option Alt plus F, third option Alt plus Control plus F, fourth option Shift plus F. And here the key combination opens the file menu is Alt plus F. So which is the shortcut key for opening the file menu? Alt plus F. Then sixth question, which keys are used to control the operations of a CD player? Which keys are used to control the operations of a CD player? So we already discussed it today. So can you tell me multimedia key? That's the first option. B, numeric key. C, arrow key. And D, function key. So which is the key to control the operations of a CD or a DVD player? And it is also used to control the speaker volume. So what is that key? Multimedia key, which is present in the multimedia keyboard. And seventh question, mouse is a pointing device having option A, 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. Second option, 1 button and 2 scroll wheel. And third option, 2 buttons and 2 scroll wheel. And fourth D option, 5 buttons. So can you tell me which is the correct answer? 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. Then true or false? First question. The numeric keys are marked from 1 to 10. Numeric keys are marked from 1 to 10. Is it correct? Numeric key. Numeric key means numbers. So which are the numbers present in the keyboard? From where to where? From 0 to 9. So the question here is marked from 1 to 10. Is it correct? No. 0 to 9. So this is false. And second question. The enter key sends the cursor to a new line. Enter key sends the cursor to a new line. Enter key means this is the enter key. So when we press this enter key, so mango. So when we press the enter key, the cursor will move to next line. So this is true. Then third question, the delete key deletes one character to the right of the insertion point. For example, so this is, here is the cursor. So when we, here is the cursor. When we press the delete key, it will remove which letter? Letter O. That means delete key is used to delete the letter right to the insertion pointer. So here is the insertion pointer. So right to the insertion pointer is O. That means it will remove O. Right? Then, so the question is true. Then fourth question, the backspace is used to type text. So backspace key means this is the backspace key. So here there is the cursor. So if you press the backspace key, it will remove the letter G. So can you tell me backspace key is used to type the text? No, it is wrong. It is used to delete the letter to the left of the insertion pointer. Then sixth question, pointing is aiming the mouse pointer at a particular location. Yes, what is a pointing? Pointing means it is an action of a mouse and it means that it aims the mouse pointer at a particular location. So it is true. Then seventh question, Alt plus F key combination will open the file menu. Yes, it's true. So these are the questions we discussing today. So we will continue later. So our chapter is over. Thank you.